If you're having issues with feature codes such as star 72, star 73, and star 724, you have clicked on the correct video. Hi there, my name is Mary. I am the support specialist from VoIP Hubs LLC, and today we'll be focusing on how to enable specific feature codes from other services like Fusion PBX to work well with your Grandstream phones. Before we get started, a little bit about us. We are VoIP service providers, and we have a multitude of different plans, ranging from $16 every month to $50 every month. In addition to that, we have our cloud-based hosted solution, which is $15 every month per extension. If you would like any additional information, please don't hesitate to click on the link in the description box below. You may also visit www.voiphubs.com, or you may call 336-663-1333. Without further ado, let's begin. Now this is going to be an extremely quick video because there's only one specific thing that you need to do to get this up and running. So let's start off with showcasing what happens now without doing what I'm about to do in regards to the feature code. I have my Grandstream phone right here. It's a GXP 1780, and right now I'm going to press the feature code star 73. That is to stop call forwarding, but initially it should at least display some sort of audio indicating if call forwarding has been stopped or if call forwarding is enabled in any way. But right now what you'll see is it will simply fail. So I'm putting star 73 pound, and as you can see it basically gives me a failed or no response, which is an indicative that the feature codes are not working. So to be able to get it to work, you simply have to go on accounts, whichever account that you are seeking to enable the feature codes on. Currently I have account 1 programmed, and then you go to feature codes. Where it says enable local call features, you simply click no, save and apply. Give it a couple of seconds, and now let me try again in regards to the star 73 feature code. Star 73 pound.
Call forwarding has been canceled.
And as you can see, now the feature codes that were once not working are working again. And that would be the end for this video. I hope it really helped you complete your objective. I know that it's a little bit irritating sometimes when specific feature codes are not working. So I really hope that this did the trick for you. This has been Mary from VoIP Hubs LLC. If you would like any more information on other services that we have, please don't hesitate to give us a call, visit our website, or you may leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you, and I hope you have yourself a wonderful day.